Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss another video upload. I just want to say thank you real quick for all the support on the channel. We really appreciate it. The channel's growing. As I said multiple times, we're trying to make better videos all the time for you guys. And so we just want to say thank you for that. Today we're going to go over the top 5 mods I've selected for 82 to 92 Camaro. It was a fairly easy one for me. This is just stuff that I found worked well on our 91. So we'll go over that. And if you have any comments or whatever, please leave your comment on the video as to what works well for you. And if there's something that you want us to cover in a future video, please send us an email, ccfbggarage@gmail.com. So to start off with number 1, we're going to go with the Eibach Pro Kit and KYB shocks. Those seem to work well for our 91. Give it a nice stance and good rideability. The KYB is just a better product over what you get off the shelf at a typical auto parts store. And we found that they last longer. You can get them in adjustable and whatnot, but I just went with the gas adjust shock. So for number 2, we have Strut tower brace. The one on the left is the one I had. It's an Eibach 3-point tower brace. It's good for throttle body or carb engines. And then the one on the right is for 2-port injection cars. It's also a 3-point brace. You can get them in 2-point, a little cheaper, but a lot of my friends go with recommend the BMR, so that's why we put her on there. So number 3 on our list is subframe connectors. Always buy Weld-in subframe connectors. Don't buy the bolt-in ones. The bolt-in ones, because of the vibration and the movement of the car, could come loose, and it's just not as good of a product. I prefer the Weld-in ones. You can buy them from BMR, UMI, Hodgkins, just about anybody. There's a lot of people out there that sell them, so they're all pretty much the same. Just make sure that they're Weld-in. And I prefer tubular, but some people prefer square, but go with Weld-in, not bolt-in. So number 4 on our list is steering brace. The 82 to 92 Camaros, in comparison to the 4th and 5th generation cars, the steering were great when they're new, but as they got older, they tend to get a little sloppy. So I would highly recommend a steering brace. I've selected the one from UMI Performance, which is the one I had in my 91. Seemed to work really well, so I would definitely recommend this one. So for number 5, I have 3-inch Catback exhaust. On our 91, I personally had it was something similar to an American Thunder kit. Ours was custom done, but it's very similar, so I put on the 3-inch Catback by Flowmaster American Thunder kit. Really worked really well, kind of woke the car up a little bit. It's not going to add a ton of horsepower, if very little, but you know what, it sounds good. Make a big difference on the car, and I'll highly recommend this one. Some people like different Magnaflow, Corsa, whatever, but I like the sound of the Flowmaster, so that's why we went with this one. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss another video of ours. And we will see you real soon. Thanks for checking us out.